Let's try out this question where we are asked to find out the molecular formula of a compound. So for such questions, we will usually try to find out the empirical formula first, then use the molar mass to find out the molecular formula. So let's start off by drawing the table, which we usually use for determining empirical formula. So we have one column each for boron and hydrogen, and for the rows we have mass, moles, and mole ratio. So for the mass of boron, we are given 8.062 grams, and for hydrogen, it's 2.255 grams. So now to calculate the moles, we need to take mass divided by the atomic mass that we can find from the periodic table. So if we refer to the periodic table, for boron, atomic mass is 10.811. Now for hydrogen, if we refer to the periodic table, the atomic mass is 1.0079. So now that we have the number of moles, next we will divide both number of moles by the smallest number, which is 0.7457. So now we have the mole ratio of 1:3. So we can say the empirical formula is BH3. So now let's find the molecular formula. The molecular formula would be the empirical formula times a certain number. And it would look like this. So BH3, and you have to times n. But we don't know what is n, so we'll have to find out. Let's use the molar mass of BH3 and the molar mass of the compound, which is 30 grams, to find out what is n. The molar mass of BH3 would be atomic mass of B plus 3 times atomic mass of hydrogen this number times n would be equal to 30. So let's do the calculations. Now we have n equals to 2.17, but we know that n should be a whole number, so we can round it off to the nearest whole number, which is 2. And in the question, it also says that the molar mass is only about 30 grams. So we can say n equals to 2, and therefore molecular formula would be BH3 and times 2. So that would be B2H6.